Welcome to the Ceramic Industry Chatbot Preview. This chatbot is designed to simplify how customers, dealers, and distributors explore ceramic products and services, making the inquiry and ordering process smooth, guided, and completely effortless. The interaction begins with a warm welcome message followed by a main menu featuring 4 key options: products, price inquiry, export inquiry, and contact us. These are standard industry features, but they can be fully customized based on individual business needs and requirements. When a user selects the products option, the chatbot instantly displays a category list. After selecting a specific category, the bot showcases all available product options under that section. From here, the user can choose between 2 options: Inquire Now or More in Category for detailed information. If the user selects More in Category, the chatbot provides a complete catalog PDF, allowing the user to explore the full product range with ease. Once the user clicks Inquire Now, the bot instantly collects the request and shares a clear acknowledgement message, confirming that the inquiry has been successfully submitted. This ceramic industry chatbot ensures a fast, professional, and user-friendly experience, helping users explore products, access catalogs, and submit inquiries seamlessly through a single conversation. Now that we have explored the chatbot preview, let's look at how to install a template in ihakimi. From the dashboard, navigate to the template store. Here, you will find a wide range of multi-industry templates. Select the template you would like to install and you will be taken to the installation screen. On this page, you will see a short summary of the template and its basic content. Click Next Step to continue. In the next step, you can either choose an existing bot or create a new one. After selecting the bot, copy the template you want to install and click Create Bot. A new folder containing the installed template will automatically appear inside your selected or newly created bot. Now, let's step inside the Flow Builder. This is where our start node resides, the point from which every chatbot conversation begins. From here, we access the welcome node and the main menu options, all of which can be customized based on your business needs. Each menu option opens its own individual flow. Within these flows, we can display all types of content such as images, videos, PDFs, and more through different nodes. This structure makes it easy to create rich, interactive, and fully customizable chatbot experiences. And that completes our walkthrough of the ceramic industry chatbot template installation process and Flow Builder overview.